Years. It had been years since we hit the road on the bikes for more than just a day trip. We needed this escape, a real break from the everyday grind. Our destination? Palm Springs, a place we'd only driven through until now. The weather couldn't have been more perfect. Sun on our backs, barely a whisper of wind, ideal for the 100+ miles ahead. Just the steady rhythm of the Excelsior and the Scout, eating up the road through the hills. People talk about finding peace in quiet spaces, but for us it's here, in the miles, in the motion, in the pure freedom of the ride. Stopping isn't usually our style. We prefer to keep rolling until the tank's nearly dry. But reaching the Coachella Valley Vista point, we decided to pause. Looking out towards Palm Desert, the view was incredible. Miles upon miles of sun-drenched desert landscape unfolded, giving us a stunning perspective on the road still ahead.
I just love you. And I wanted to film you being cute. Yeah.
From the overlook, it was time to lean into it. Highway 74 delivered exactly what we craved after those open desert miles. A winding ribbon of asphalt begging to be ridden. You feel every corner as the bikes flow through the descent, the vast desert landscape shifting perspective with every turn as we roll closer to Palm Springs. Leaving the mountain behind, the highway straightened out for the final stretch across the valley. The exciting curves gave way to multiple lanes and increasing traffic as we rolled through Palm Desert and into Palm Springs. Fortunately, our hotel was on the south side, meaning we were almost there. We intentionally booked Tropic's Caliente, drawn in by its unique story and retro vibe. Opened in 1964, this small resort captured the Polynesian trend of the era, complete with its own coffee shop, steakhouse, and the famously star-studded Congo Room, a cocktail lounge frequented by the likes of Elvis and the Rat Pack throughout the 60s and 70s. Like many Palm Springs spots, it saw a decline passing through different hands, but thankfully a dedicated owner bought it back in 2014, painstakingly restoring its original 60s Polynesian theme. It's a genuine piece of history you can still experience today. The once famous Conga Room is now home to the Reef, which still sports the same layout, but much more tropic than it was in the 60s. The building and property still sport the original tiki statues. After checking in, we took a walk through downtown Palm Springs. The 26-foot Marilyn Monroe statue was definitely on our list. While we're not the biggest fans of Marilyn, the statue's history and the controversy it's caused locally made it interesting. It's clearly a talking point in the town. Our Lyft driver even mentioned it right out of the blue. Exploring downtown, we immersed ourselves in Palm Springs' iconic mid-century modern architecture. Amidst the classic 50s and 60s designs, we found unexpected highlights like the Illuminaire House, an innovative metal and glass build from 1931. But then right in the heart of the city, we saw art that spoke our language. A red Ford Taurus hanging on a wall by a nail? As automotive enthusiasts, that kind of art was definitely right up our alley. After a good night's rest, we were fueled up and ready to ride. We said goodbye to the Tropics Caliente and the distinct Palm Springs landscape rolling out of the city. The sun was already high and the day was shaping up beautifully, exactly what you want for a long ride home. The nice weather held until the next stretch of desert was behind us. Then, the sky darkened quickly and the wind picked up. It was time for an unscheduled pit stop to suit up in the rain gear. And wouldn't you know it, out in the middle of nowhere, there it was, a Dollar General. After the moment of doubt, the rest of the ride home was smooth the whole way. No rain, no trouble, just pleasant miles until we were back in our own driveway. It was a perfect, peaceful weekend escape. Short, but exactly the getaway we needed.